Thanks for upgrading and welcome to the Bigger Business Plan. In this video, I'm going to show you all the new features you just unlocked. You can now add up to 6 staff members and book 600 appointments per month. Let's start with adding staff. Go to Setup Staff. You can edit the URL for your booking page, like this. And you can set up a subdomain here. Now let's edit the content of your email and SMS messages. So let's go to Messaging, Customer Preferences. Here you can choose if you want to send voice reminders along with SMS and email. The content for the messages can be different for each service. You can set up staff SMS or email reminders under Messaging, Staff Preferences. If you have any questions you would like to ask at booking, you can add them here. From now on, you can follow up with customers via SMS on any appointment on your calendar. Another new feature for this plan is the option to add multiple booking pages, each offering a different set of services to your customers. Click on Create Multiple Booking Pages and select the services you want to add. These are the main features on your plan, but don't forget you also have the option to sync your calendars, taking payments at booking, setting up rooms and locations, sending email campaigns, and adding your availability and services. We're here at help@10to8.com if you need us, or you can click the blue icon to have a chat.